Hello dear students. So today we will continue our power plant engineering subject. So for the chapter 1 today's topic is steam turbine. In last lecture we have studied regarding steam nozzles. Today we will get some introductory and classification and types of different steam turbines in today's lecture. So first basic introduction regarding this steam turbine. Basically steam turbine is a prime mover in which the potential energy of the steam is transferred into the kinetic energy and later it turns is transferred into the mechanical energy of rotation of the turbine shaft. Okay. So basically हमने देखा है कि in power plant we know that the basic function of boiler is to generate steam. वो steam कहाँ जाती है? It is going towards steam turbine. Turbine में क्या होता है? Steam is expanded. Okay, so that its potential energy there is converted into kinetic energy and later it turns transformed into the mechanical energy of rotation of turbine shaft. वो steam turbine blades पे गिरेगी और blades और turbine shaft घूमेगा तो वो it is converted into that mechanical energy and this is coupled with it generator and then electricity is generated. So this steam turbine is very important part of this power plant. Okay, so basically it is a prime mover in which potential of the steam is transferred into the kinetic energy and later in it turns and is transferred into the mechanical energy of rotation of the turbine. Now basic classifications of this steam turbine today we are going to see in introductory part. And according to the action of the steam कैसे एक्ट करती है उसके ऊपर से उसका क्लासिफिकेशन. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ turbines, impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Now what is an impulse turbine? Steam coming out through a fixed nozzle at a very high velocity strikes the blades fixed on the periphery of rotor. Okay, the blades change the direction of steam flow without changing its pressure. The force due to change of momentum causes the rotation to the turbine shaft. So this is known as the impulse turbine. Directly जो उसका steam है it will hit to the turbine blades which is fixed on the periphery of that particular rotor. Okay, so examples of this type of turbines are D-level, Curtiss and Retube turbines. Okay, now in reaction turbine steam expands both in fixed and moving blades continuously. As the steam passes over them, the pressure drop occurs. While in impulse turbine, there will be no change in pressure. While in reaction turbine, there will be a pressure drop. Occurs continually over both moving and fixed blade. Okay. Now, second is the according to number of pressure stages. So it may be classified as single stage turbine. Number 2 is multi-stage impulse and reaction turbines. Now, third classification way is according to the type of steam flow, how steam is flowing towards this turbine. So first is the axial turbine. In this turbine steam flows in a direction parallel to the axis of turbine rotor. जिस एक्सिस पे रोटर घूम रहा है उसके पैरेलली ये स्टीम फ्लो होगी. सेकंड इज द रेडियल टर्बाइन. इन दिस टर्बाइन स्टीम फ्लोज इन डायरेक्शन परपेंडिकुलर to the axis of the turbine. One or more low pressure stages are made axial here. Okay, so these are the two types according to the type of steam flow. Next is the according to the number of shaft. Single shaft turbine, there may be a multi shaft turbines also there. Okay, now according to the method of governing, turbines with throttling governing, turbine with nozzle governing and turbine with bypass governing. इसमें क्या होता है? In this turbine, in throttle governing, in this turbine, fresh steam entered through one or more simultaneously operated throttle valves. With nozzle governing, in this turbine, fresh steam enters one or more consecutively opening regulators. वो regulator से open होता है उसमें हम valve से अंदर भेजते हैं. By bypass governing, in this turbine, steam is being fed to the first stage, is also directly fed to 1, 2 or 3 intermediate stages to the turbine. Okay. So next is the according to heat drop processes. Condensing turbine with generators, condensing turbine with one or more intermediate stage extraction, back pressure turbines, topping turbines. These are the different based on heat drop processes. These are the different types of turbines. According to the steam condition at inlet to turbine. At inlet condition steam की क्या condition है उसके ऊपर से lower pressure turbine, medium pressure turbine, high pressure turbine and supercritical pressure turbines. So it is the classification based on this inlet condition. Is the if the steam at a pressure is 1.2 atmosphere to 2 atmosphere, it is low pressure. It is up to 40, medium pressure. Above 40, high pressure. Above 170 atmospheric pressure and 550 degrees Celsius, it is a high pressure turbines. And if it is pressure is higher than 225 atmosphere, then it is known as supercritical pressure turbines. So these are the types. According to uses in industry, stationary turbine with constant speed of rotation, then stationary turbines with variable speed of rotation, then non-stationary turbine with variable speed. Okay, so these are the type according to usage in industries. Now, what are the advantages of steam turbines over steam engines? Basically, its thermal efficiency is higher. There is no reciprocating part. Perfect balancing is possible. Therefore, heavy foundation is not required into the steam turbine. Higher and greater range of speed is possible. Means speed variation is more in steam turbines compared to this steam engines. Lubrication is very simple as there is no rubbering parts. The power generation is uniform rate and hence no flywheel is required here. Steam consumption rate is lesser. More compact, require less attention during operation. More suitable for large power plants. Okay, less maintenance cost as construction and operation is highly simplified due to absence of part like piston rod, crosset, connecting rod. These all are in the steam engines. There is no requirement in the steam turbines of these types of parts. So this is very less maintenance cost compared to that. Considerably, overloads can be carried at the expense of slight reduction in overall efficiencies. So in today's lecture, we will see this introductory part of turbines and its क्लासिफिकेशन. कौन कौन सी उसके क्लासिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं हम, वो चीज़ हम ये लेक्चर में देखी हमने. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल स्टडी दी वर्किंग ऑफ द स्टीम टर्बाइन, कैसे वर्क करता है वो हम देखेंगे पूरा. सो इफ देर इज़ एनी डाउट्स इन टुडेज ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन रिगार्डिंग दिस स्टीम टर्बाइन, प्लीज़ write your doubts in the comment section. Don't forget that. Thank you so much for attending today's lecture. Please watch full video and please write your doubt in the comment section. Thank you.